friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. So today we are going to learn dashboard like Amazon. Um, Here is demo. This is uh, Amazon app. This is dashboard for Amazon app. You can see, and I will show you the dashboard that I have created. It looks like same as Amazon app. So today we are going to learn how to create this dashboard. So let's begin. So this is a control I have created. We will call as navigation bar. This is search text box. Uh, this is a location. Okay, and this is a collection view. In collection view, we will add template having image and label. And this is a image that will change frequently after 3 seconds. Okay, as you can see, this is the I have used device timer. After every 2 seconds it will change. Then this is stack layout. This is one frame and this is another frame. It can scroll here. Then these are labels. Okay, let's begin with the code. Main control is grid control. I have added top nav bar for this control. This is custom navigation, so I have created control and set the shell nav bar is visible first. It will remove the default navigation bar. Okay, so navigation bar. This is a grid having 3 columns. So this is auto, this is star. It will take a whole width, and this is auto. So I have used image. For this I have used image, and uh, and another, this is label, and this is label using font awesome. Okay, I will share link. I have I will share link here. This is the font awesome code. You can copy this code from here, and all the code is available in this website, so you can copy from here. After that, this is search bar. Okay, this is frame. To look the corner red round corner, I have added frame having corner radius 10, and add in frame I have added search bar. Okay, now we will see this. This is stack layout. Okay, this is font awesome having map mark alert, and this is label, and this is another font awesome having angle down icon. Okay, after that, this is collection view. Okay, collection view has margin. I want margin here, so I added left and right margin as 10, 20 for here, and 0 in here, because it will take uh, height as default, space as default, and I have added height request as 100. Okay, and I have used the template here. This template is very simple. This is grid having this image and label. I have used class. I will show you class. class. It is having two property, image and name. I assign the value here and assign this list to the collection view item source. Okay. After that, this is image. I use control image in third row, and I have set background as same as uh, background is used in top menu, because if you are using online, uh, uh, if you are using image from online or from database, it will take time to load, so it will show the uh, background color as same as this. How I how the image change, we will see how image changes in every 3 seconds. I have added all the image in the list of string. Okay. And device dot start timer, in after every 2 seconds it will change the images. Okay. If I is greater than equal to 5, because I have taken 5 images, so I have said if I is greater than equal to 5, it will set to the first image, so the image will look every time. After that, we will see this one. This is scrollable, but I have used the scroll view, and under the scroll view I have added stack layout. This is stack layout. Under stack layout, these are frames. This is frame, this is frame, and all the coming control are frames. So this is another frame having logic here. Uh, in under the frame I added grid having 2 row and 2 columns, and this is control I have created for this. Let's see the control. So in under the grid, main control is grid. Under the this is frame, round corner is frame, and this is the image. You can see the pay, Google Pay icon. This is image, and this is label that will be here. Okay. So I have assigned this value here only. I have created property. I have created property for so you can set image at the design time or runtime. So I have added the property for image and property for label and background for frame. Okay, this is background for frame. I have set in this property. First row and first column is Amazon Pay. Background I have set this color, and I have set image here. Okay, same for all the 3 controls. I have used this control: assign text, assign image, and background color. After that, this orientation is horizontal, so it is rendering all the frames in horizontal. So this is another frame for this. This is grid, this is label, and this is image. The same thing is repeated in the upcoming images. Another thing, if you don't want to add static here, use this frame. Okay. After that, add collection view here. Remove all these frames. remove all this frame. Remove all this frame of this stack layout except this one, and add collection view. Okay, and create a template using this frame, and uh, create a class for label and image, and assign value. Create a method and assign all the value to the property, and assign that method to the collection view item source. So it will occur dynamically. And remove this scroll view. Okay, if you are using collection view, then remove this scroll view. After that, this is to label for this. Hope you understand this video. If you have any question, then please ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.